Hey, and welcome to an introduction to OpenBOM's onboarding experience. In the next few minutes, I'd like to take you through what OpenBOM onboarding does for you and your company and what you can expect as a result. Keep in mind that the outcome of onboarding is you develop a process around OpenBOM at your company that you can deploy, company-wide. So I'm here just for a few minutes, kind of take you through it. So let me kind of introduce you to the process. We refer to the three phases of OpenBOM onboarding as a preparation phase, phase one, where I'm going to send you a questionnaire. We're going to ask questions about how your company does part numbering, the type of properties you might be managing, about items. I'll go through, give you some examples on how to prepare some sample data, and then we'll start thinking about who the stakeholders are, who the key people that need to be involved in the process. That is a questionnaire that I'll send you a link to. You'll go through and fill that out in preparation, and I'll assess it before we meet live. The second phase is a 1 hour live session with me where we really get down and do the work. We're going to build some BOMs. We're going to import some item information based on whether you're maybe coming from CAD or you've got your data in Excel. We're going to build a BOM with the right properties. If you're interested in creating orders and POs, we're going to do that. We're going to learn how we manage inventory, and we're going to release a BOM to production, which is where we do some kind of inventory math, as I like to refer to it, where we manage the quantities on hand. So session two, like I said, is a live session. We're really going to do the work and start to build out and capture the process that you'll be using in your company. In the third phase is another live session with me. What we'll do there is kind of solidify the process that we're developing. We'll look at maybe some customization, or maybe we need to slice or view the data in a particular way. Perhaps you're dealing with contract manufacturers that you want to have a particular access to the data. So we'll kind of develop those. We'll start tweaking the process a little bit there. Again, it'll be specific, to your company. So once we're done, we'll have a little cheat sheet, as we call it, that you can use to incorporate this into your process that you deploy at within your company. And then finally we'll give you a place to sort of push off and set the foundation for your continued use of OpenBOM, maybe bringing in all of your data and building out your team. So I'd like to invite you to join me in an OpenBOM onboarding experience, and I look forward to meeting your team. Thanks.